overwhelming. I can't imagine going through the process without that. Beautiful. You need to go to Troy Granite. It was a very fast process. I drove in, they treated me like family. They explained it every step of the way. I went into this warehouse with all of the granite. I couldn't decide which one. Once we picked it out, they sent a guy out to measure it, and it was off to the races. It was very quick time, quicker than I thought. So once I was there, the sales rep walked me into the warehouse, and it was overwhelming. I looked around, but I had an idea. I wanted to go with a bright color. We made a few suggestions. She told me what was available, and then we went for it. And I'm very glad that the sales rep was there to point me in the right direction, because as a person, this is my first time buying granite, I didn't know. And she really brought me up to speed quickly and got me the right granite. And as you can see, it's beautiful. I highly recommend Troy Granite to everyone. They simplified the process for me. The selection was huge. They helped me pick, and then more importantly, they got here in timely fashion. They installed it perfect. The installers were great. Sales rep is phenomenal. I can't imagine going through the process without them. If you want a great process, a great product, you want to be treated like family, I recommend them to everyone. You need to go to Troy Granite.